Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Neustar hiring freshers, and the job role for that is Associate Software Engineer. And we shall see what is the job description and the skills that is needed for the job. So the first thing is the job description and the job profile. It is Associate Software Engineer and the company name is Neustar, and the company location it is Bangalore, Karnataka, India, and the experience required for the job role is 0 to 1 years of experience, and the degree required is for BE, Btech, ME or Mtech, and any year of pass out are eligible to apply for the job role. So next thing is the qualifications or the education. So bachelor's degree in engineering with 0 to 1 years of experience. It can be any branch, CSIT, so CSC, IT or triple E, ECE, mechanical. So whichever branch are eligible to apply for the job role. And next thing is you need to be strong in algorithms and data structures, and apart from that you need to be good in any one of the programming language. It can be Java, Python, C or C++, and you need to have knowledge of SQL and database. And next thing is some of the additional skills is that you need to have knowledge of Python and shell scripting, and working knowledge on large scale data processing systems like Hadoop, MapReduce programming is a plus. So this is for experienced graduates. For freshers, you need to have knowledge of SQL and database and any one of the programming language. So then working knowledge on Java or J2EE technology with exposure to frameworks such as Spring and Hibernate. So if you have knowledge of frameworks, then it will be an added advantage. And then apart from that, if you have a GitHub account or GitLab Stack Overflow profile and OSS contributions or publication, so this is one of the bonus point or the advantage. So this is all about the skills and the qualification that is needed for the job role. So then coming to the application link, so the first step is you need to create an account in Workday. So if you already have the account, you can directly sign in, and then you can you can apply for this job role, and you can fill your basic details and then submit. If you do not have an account, so you can create an account and then you can apply for the job role. So this is all about the job description and the skills that is needed for the job role. So the application link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.